Some people like short rides, some like long rides. Me and Brenda kind of like the longer rides to go somewhere, but it's really what you like to do. Like today, just a little ride, so can't wait for the weather to break. And this weekend, we're supposed to go down to Georgia, so it's Grandparents' Day, so we're going down to see the grandkids and go visit them at school and tell them how much we love them and care for them. And that. With them living down there, it's a little rough sometimes to get down there, but we are planning to get away this weekend, not taking the bikes. That's one thing. My son has two Indians down there, so if we do decide to go for a little ride, he can ride one, I can ride the other one. It's kind of like what we do when he comes up this way sometimes, even though he's not crazy about Harleys. So, like I said before, it's not what you ride, it's when you ride, how you ride. Riding is what it's all about. Getting out and enjoying it. Just makes you feel alive, I guess, inside. Kind of looks like we're going to have a early spring, from what they're saying. So that'd be nice for us bikers. Get out, enjoy the time and the view. Like I said a little earlier, riding 2-lane roads, sometimes you get stuck behind these vehicles, but that's part of life. Like to sit back and enjoy the scenery and the countryside. Brenda took some video before I left this morning, so I'll check that out and see what it's like, and maybe get a couple little shorts to put up on YouTube or TikTok or Facebook. I kind of prefer YouTube, but trying to get people to come and see the channel, see what it's all about. So, trying to hit all the media sites or social media. It's one thing you could maybe leave a comment and say what you prefer. You prefer YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, Instagram. Brenda said something last night about Snapchat. I never use Snapchat, so I don't know if it'd be any good or not. Used to post a lot on Facebook, and they kicked me off. And started a new channel. I've been behaving myself. I don't really voice my opinion like I used to. Just trying to stay on and get the word out and meet new people and check rides out here and there. It's kind of hard to do when they won't let you on. So, well, we're almost there. It says, dying to get out here. The other day it snowed about 4 inches, and it's been so cold in the morning. Like I said, this morning it was around 50 something. So I can handle that for a few minutes. Later on, when I head home, it should be around 60 some degrees. It might be a little wet. I don't mind the wet when it's warm. Getting wet and being cold is miserable. Well, that's about it for this morning. Hope you enjoy. Remember, keep the rubber side down and be safe out there. Nowhere to park there today.